You idiot. After all this, you actually think that I'm hiding real feelings for you? Every time I touched you or smiled at you, it was a lie, part of my performance. Despite that, I still failed. I let too much time slip by before I made my move.
Look, I know I shouldn't still like you, but I do. I guess that's one of the downsides of having a heart. You can tell yourself what we had was a lie, but some of it was real, like that swimming lesson.